Got the new vessel here, straight out of Japan. Let's see what it can do. Let's see what it can do. Look, I can fit in the small places. I guess it only goes one direction, so you have to take it out and spin and switch it around. See what it can do. I guess it just turn it till you get some momentum. This is a starter. Okay, so just start turning it and then it'll unloosen for you. So you won't have to sit there and just turn. It's like almost like hand tight. So let's switch it around now. Press a little tab here. Start it. Put it in there. Let's tighten it down. Switch it around. Let's tighten it down. Not that strong, but it'll be all right. And then they'll blank to let you know that you're gonna have to start tightening by hand. So, not bad little machine. So I didn't buy the set. I just bought the tool only with the 3/8. So I had another little tool set laying around, which I have the 1/4. See how that looks. So this kit already has the 1/4, so. See how if it fits. Yeah, so you have one of these little kits laying around, it'll fit. Instead of me getting the whole kit, I just buy a cheaper kit. So see. Let's see if we can do anything. You could do some things. Okay, we could do some things. Not bad. So I'm gonna put it through its paces and see what it does. Not bad.